Greetings, Mark. And you're going to be looking at how you can use a notepad to create our page. Some of you might maybe wonder what am I talking about, but I'm going to guide you through how you can use that particular notepad right there to do it. So in order for us to get the notepad, you come right here at the search bar, you're going to click. All right, so we're going to type it in. Notice it's set for notepad. All right, so we're going to click like that. So we're going to open it. Definitely. All right, so we're going to put in the tag right here. There you go. All right, so HTML. All right, so we're gonna close it. All right, so let me bring it up. All right, some more. Definitely. Right here. You wanna press enter. Press it again. So now it's right here. We're gonna close it. We're gonna say HTML. We're gonna close it. Just like that. You wanna put in head now. Just HEAD. Now close it. Like that. Press enter again. Put in this slash. We're gonna close it. Alright, so we're gonna go up a little. We press enter. So we're gonna put a type in between. Just like that. We're gonna put the next one again in it, and then we're gonna like that. Alright, so if you notice, we're gonna go right here. And we're gonna put the word body. Just like that. Just erase this within the body. Just like that. So we're gonna do it again, put in the slash. Like that. Then we're gonna press enter. Go back up here. Put a little space in between the body. Alright, good. So right here in the tag right here, right, we're gonna put my web page. Notice, right, my web page right here. So in the body, we're gonna actually put a paragraph right there. So P, I'm gonna come like that. Alright, so the next one, put the slash, put the P right here, and then we're gonna close it. So in the P now, we also wanna write something right here. So we want to this right here. So we're gonna set this. This is my first web page. Good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come right up here to file. We're gonna come right into the save as. Alright, so we're gonna put index dot html. Alright, so we want to make certain that we save it on the desktop right here. Alright, and then we're gonna press save. Now we're gonna minimize this. Alright, so this is filled on it. We're gonna right click. We're going to come right here. That's open with. We're going to open it in Google Chrome. All right. If you notice right up here, so my web page. If you notice, this is my first web page. All right. If you click right over here, notice you can actually select Google Chrome. Yes. So you can literally use a notepad here to create that particular web page. All right. So I'm going to type something again. I'm going to say H1 like that. All right. Get another flash. H1. I'm going to close it. All right. I'm going to type the word software, just like that. So on the bottom right here, I'm going to type H2, close it again, slash, same H2, just like that, close it. So in between it, you're going to type the word hardware, in between it, and then we're going to save it. All right, so we're going to bring up right here. So I'll come right here and refresh it. If you notice, good. So this is our page actually coming. But if you notice, why this one bigger than this one? Heading 1, I will be the bigger heading. Heading 2, go down. So when I put in heading 3, you're going to see it looks smaller than this one. All right, so let me put in heading 3, just like that. All right, H3, and close it. H3, just like that. So I'm going to put something inside there. I'm going to put X cell, and then I'm going to come right here. I'm going to save it. Bring up like this. Now I'm going to come like this. If you notice, all right. So this is the paragraph, and these are some heading. So I'm going to put some words on each one of these, and put bullet at the end. All right. If you show you how you can actually use it. All right. First here, we're going to put a BR right here. All right. So BR is break in between them. All right. So this one right here now. Put a BR right there. Just the same. All right. Let us go up. Right. Press enter. All right. So LI. All right. So LI is what give us a bullet right here. The bullet in nine. All right. So we can actually come like this. I can copy. I press enter. Paste it. Press enter again and paste it. Just the same. So inside here, so we can put word inside here. So in the middle right here, I can put publisher SH in it. And so right here, I can put Excel just like that. I'm going to come right here. I'm going to save that. I'm going to bring up this. We're going to press good. So if you notice right in between right here, we have them. So we're going to do this for the other two to make it look official. So you can see exactly what's going on right there. Right there. All right. Now this is good. So what we can do the same thing. We can also copy it. We can press enter. All right. Paste it right there. Press enter again. You can also paste it. All right. But if you notice for this one, now we're going to do the same thing for this one. We're going to right click. Then we're going to paste it. We're going to press enter again. We're going to right click. And we're going to press it again. We're going to paste it. All right. Good, good. So in between this, we're going to put a break. All right. The beta space right there. All right. So in between right here now, we're going to put something right here. And as you know, we're gonna put another one right there. Alright, very important. Alright, so right here again, we're gonna put our next one. So far, good. Alright, so we're gonna come right down here. Alright, so we're gonna change this one up at top here to put it to something else. Alright, so we're gonna put this one, we're gonna put computer for this one. Alright, let me, alright, good, we're gonna come right down in here, so now we're gonna put something right there. Alright, I'm gonna put your motherboard here, right there. That's right there. I'm gonna put E, G, A. That's right here. we're gonna put HTMI. Now we're going to come right up here, we're going to save it, and then we're going to bring up this. So we're going to refresh it. You notice this is what we have right here. Good, very important. Right, so this is exactly how we actually create a web page right here using Notepad. Very important. So I hope you have learned something from this very important thing right here. All right, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.